Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Libra Air sign. This is May weekly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Guys, this is general. If it is resonates, it's okay. Otherwise, don't force to fit in. So let's see messages for you and what's going on. Libra Air sign. Libra, what are the messages for you and what's going on? Libra, what are the messages for you and what's going on? The messages for Libra and what's going on. Six of Pentacles with Page of Pentacles and Nine of Cups. I think there is some communication, text is coming, Page of Pentacles is here. In near future, you will receive some important text or communication from your person, and I think in this relationship, there is no equal give and take. Maybe one person treating the other person as an option, but you want equal give and take, Libra. So let's see your reading. Recent past, Ace of Cups, the Lovers and Knight of Swords. There is love between both of you. Especially you love this person a lot, Ace of Cups. Your love towards them is overflowing, and there was communication happened between you and your person in past. Your past was okay, and the person involved in this connection could be Gemini. But I think you are more committed in this relationship than your person. Maybe they are in and out of your life. There is no commitment. There is no equal give and take. Especially I am getting that message. Then present, the Moon, Magician and Six of Cups. You are thinking about this person a lot. But there are some illusions, some disturbances between you and your person because the Moon card is here. Illusions, fighting, misunderstandings. Maybe for some your person may be a player, because magician sometimes treated as manipulator. Maybe you are manifesting them again into your life. Maybe for some you decided to move on from this person, but you're still thinking about them. You still want them back. You are in some type of confusion. You don't know which decision you have to make, because future, the Hermit, Two of Swords and Two of Wands. You both are in long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states. And Two of Wands energy, definitely options. But you are thinking about this person a lot, Libra. Lot of thinking, lot of confusion. Because you want to move on from this person. One part of you want to move on and other part don't want to move on this person. I think confusion. Two of Swords. Definitely you are at some crossroads. And Hermit. In future you will undergoing some transformation. After that maybe you will get clarity. But right now in future also you are in some confusion type of energy. Lot of thinking. And the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Pisces, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, especially Gemini. So, Libra, let's see your person current feelings and intentions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. Under the deck, Nine of Cups. They are wishing for this connection. Wow, see, Six of Pentacles. Now they are ready to offer equal give and take, or they are thinking about equal give and take. Yeah, right now for some who are in separation, your person feeling sad for the separation. So let's see their current feelings, Libra. Their current feelings. Wow, again the Lovers card. In this reading, the Lovers card came twice. Nine of Pentacles with Six of Swords. Maybe your person is very independent emotionally and financially also. Very few, maybe they are right now working on their career if you are in separation. But Six of Swords, they want to communicate with you. They want to fix the things between both of you. Yes, they are stuck right now. They're thinking about you a lot. Yeah, their feelings Queen of Wands, the Lovers, and Three of Wands. Definitely they want to take action. They're planning to take action. There is love. Definitely between both of you there is love, because Lovers card came twice in this reading, and Three of Wands. They are waiting. Maybe they are waiting for right time to approach you. Maybe they definitely they are in some waiting mode. Maybe they are waiting for your call or text, but they want some positive growth. If you are in separation, they're still thinking about you. They're still wanting you back. If you are not in separation, definitely they want to take this relationship to next level. Yes. So let's see their intentions. Libra. Wow. Seven of Wands, Temperance, Patience, Seven of Pentacles with Ten of Pentacles. Yes, waiting mode. I think for some you are in no contact situation. Maybe if you are in relationship, this is on and off connection. Definitely your person right now patiently waiting for the right time, because of Temperance. Again, patient, want to restore the balance in the connection. But they do love you. King of Cups is here. Definitely they want to offer their cup of love to you. And Seven of Wands. Definitely your person won't give up on you easily. They will fight for your attention. Yes, they do love you. They will fight for your attention. Yes, they're waiting for right time. Maybe it will take some time to take action towards you, because right now you person Seven of Pentacles, Temperance, and Three of Wands. All cards are in waiting period. So definitely right now they're taking their time. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on. And the person involved in this connection could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, especially Sagittarius. So let's see where this connection is headed on in future. Wow, Sun. For some children's also involved in this connection. Wow, the Sun with Ace of Pentacles. Definitely your person thinking about new beginnings with you, long-term commitment. They're realizing you both. If you are in separation, they're realizing that you are their happiness. Wow. See, under the deck, Ten of Cups. Very, very positive reading, Libra. All major arcanas, positive cards. But you are taking your control back. You also missing them. Definitely you both are missing each other. You also getting a lot of thoughts regarding your person, but you are taking your control back. Yes, you will, because Queen of Wands and Four of Swords. Maybe you will do meditation to heal yourself from this pain, from this anxiety. During this separation, you are working on yourself to take control. Mutual. Queen of Swords with mutual energies. You both are in no contest situation right now, because Queen of Swords with Four of Swords. Definitely you both are in no contest situation, but in future definitely there will be some moment your person will take action, but right now they're in waiting mode. Yes, judgment, decision making. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. Libra. And a lot of air energy. The person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, especially Gemini. I'm afraid to tell you how I feel. I want you back. Yes, holding back because they are waiting for right time. Will you forgive me? And I'm feeling sad without you, and I'm serious about you. So the messages are, I'm afraid to tell you how I feel. I want you back, holding back. Will you forgive me? I'm feeling sad without you. So let's see some more messages from Moon Oracle deck. Libra. Meditate and contemplate, new moon in Pisces. And the another luck is on your side, new moon in Sagittarius. Definitely luck is on your side, Libra, when especially new moon in Sagittarius, and meditate and contemplate. So if you are in some problems like Nine of Swords energy, a lot of thinking, a lot of depression, so this is the message for you. Do meditation to heal yourself completely. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.